this is what you have been doing wrong. All the fashion girls are wearing balloon pants right now since it's trending, but not all of them are styling it correctly. So if you have been tempted to try this trend but aren't quite sure how to wear it well, here's exactly how to make your pants look chic instead of overwhelming. The biggest mistake I see people making is pairing them with tops that have too much volume, as you can see here in this picture above. Keep in mind, ladies, these pants already bring a lot of drama and volume to the outfit. The key is to balance it out with something fitted and streamlined on top. A simple tank top, a fitted tee, a bodysuit, or even a tucked-in shirt works beautifully. It creates a contrast which makes the silhouette look intentional and flattering. Another styling trick: define your waist. Whether you use a belt, a scarf, or simply tucking in your top creates a visible waistline which instantly elevates the entire look and prevents the outfit from looking overwhelming. And if you are traveling this summer, this might be the perfect daytime sightseeing outfit. It's breathable, comfortable, effortlessly stylish, and allows you to move around with ease. Now, if you are taking this look into the evening, add a little more structure. A tailored blazer, a cropped jacket, or one of those trending Napoleon style jackets works beautifully with these balloon pants. The contrast between structure and volume creates a very polished look. And don't be afraid to play with the fabrics. Linen and cotton versions feel relaxed and effortless during the day, while satin, crepe, or more structured fabric can make them surprisingly elegant for dinner or events. Now let's talk shoes, because they can make or break this trend. These pants look best when a little bit of foot is visible for daytime or for sleek flats or flip-flops. For the evening, a delicate heel or a pointed toe shoe instantly makes the outfit feel elevated. One more thing, pay attention to your proportions. If your pants are extremely voluminous, keep the rest of your accessories relatively clean and minimal. Ladies, I know this trend can feel a little intimidating at first, but trust me on this one, I honestly haven't worn anything lately that's so comfortable and classy at the same time. If you have been considering a pair, this is your sign to buy one. Go try them. You might be surprised by how flattering they actually are. If you found these styling tips helpful, make sure you follow along for more easy ways to wear these trends without feeling overwhelmed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.